Welcome to Bahamas Educational Express Religious Knowledge Lesson video, Rebuilding the Wall. Learners will be able to explain why Nehemiah went to Jerusalem, tell how Nehemiah organized the workers to build the wall, and name the city Nehemiah was protecting. When Nehemiah arrived in Jerusalem, he waited quietly for a few days, taking careful notes of all that went on. Then one night, when everyone was asleep, he set off on his donkey to have a thorough look at the whole city. He and a few friends went all around the outside of Jerusalem, noting where the damage was worst. In some places, there was so much brick rumble and rubbish that the donkey could not pick her way through. Nehemiah realized how much there was to be done. The next day, he began to encourage the leaders to begin rebuilding. He told them how God had answered his prayers. He put a new heart into them. He called together all the volunteers and he split them into groups. He gave each group one section of the wall or gates to work on. Sometimes a family will work together, or those who live in the same village would form a team. The goldsmiths all band together to build one bit of the wall, and the priests another. But as soon as they began building in earnest, their enemies, the Samaritans, came to watch and laugh at them. They said, "What do these miserable Jews think they can do?" Their leader jeered. Even a fox could break through the wall. But the people went on working. They were determined to finish the job, whatever the difficulties. Sometimes they sang as they worked. "There's so much rubble to take away. How can we build the wall today?" When the wall had gone up to half its full height, the Samaritans grew anxious. They did not want Jerusalem to be safe and strong again. So they planned to attack the unsuspecting workers. Nehemiah heard of it, and he divided the people into two groups. One half was armed so that they could stand guard, while the other half went on building. "Don't be afraid," Nehemiah told them. "God will fight for us." Then he issued all the workmen with a sword to strap at their side and gave the men a weapon to hold. Each builder held his trowel in one hand and his weapon in the other. Nehemiah also stationed a bugler to sound an alarm if he spotted the enemy. Then the builders far and wide could hear the alarm and stop work and prepare for an attack. They worked fast and furious from early morning until the stars came out at night. Nehemiah did not go to bed for nights on end. They were all determined to work on until the walls and the gates were finished, and Jerusalem would be safe from all danger. This has been our lesson on rebuilding the wall.